everyone, this is Mariam Ahmed. I am from Dow Medical College, batch of 2030. I gave my MD CAT last year in 2023 from Balochistan. And today I'll be helping you out filling with the Synthka admission form. And so just be connected with us, see the entire video so that you don't miss out any information or you don't mess up anything. So yeah, let's begin with the Lumsky website. So first of all, you have to go to LUMS website. You just have to type lums.edu.pk on your whatever server you're using, and so this website will show up. First of all, here we see the prospectus, we see the application form for MBBS, BDS, and then also the TCS services जो हम use कर सकते हैं. First of all, let's go to the prospectus. So जब आप apply कर रहे हो तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप सारा प्रस्पेक्टस देखो, इसमें अपने कॉलेजेस देखो कि कौन से हैं, नंबर ऑफ सीट्स देखो, एंड यहाँ पे फीस स्ट्रक्चर एंड एवरीथिंग इज रिटन, राइट. सो जो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग जो प्रस्पेक्टस में दिया हुआ है दैट इज द स्केड्यूल के आगे क्या होगा, किस तरह से होगा, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ अस आर एक्चुअली कंफ्यूज्ड कि किस तरह से कब क्या होना है, एंड वी आर प्लानिंग थिंग्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारे एडमिशन कब से शुरू हुए थे, दैट वाज फ्रॉम 4th of January. And then अभी हमारे पास for the public sector it would be the deadline is 15th January, and for the private sector it is 25th of January. अच्छा, after that admissions हमने submit अपने form submit करा लिए. Then we will get our provisional merit list that would be on 26th of January. Then there might be some cases कि कोई issue आ गया, there's change in aggregate name or anything, so that then we will have the final merit list जिसमें सारी चीज़ें ठीक होंगी, and then we will be having the interviews. This is for MBBS public sector. Then we will be having the same thing for BDS. We will be having that for private as well. So you can check that in the prospectus और सारा आपको schedule दिया हुआ है. Okay, so here comes the application form. So first of all, ये application forms LUMS की website से you have to download, and once you have downloaded, print it out और फिर इसमें लिखना शुरू करना है. And you have to be very mindful जब आपने ये सब कुछ fill करना है. And yeah, so let's begin कि इसमें किस तरह और क्या करना है. First of all, here comes the district. You have to write your district, whatever it is. It's Karachi Central, it's whatever it is, you have to write that. Here you have to paste your pictures. You have to paste 4 pictures with a blue background, and you have to write your name on the back side of that. Then we are here with the name of applicant and then the father's name. You have to write that in the block letters, as we can see यहाँ पे block letters में है तो इस तरह. Then your date of birth, your nationality, your age, your surname, your gender, religion, and then again the district of domicile, your permanent residence का जहाँ का भी है, you have to write that. You have to अच्छा, then you have to write the CNIC number. अगर CNIC नहीं है तो B form पे number है, you have to write that. And then you have your email address, you have the date of issuance of your CNIC phone number. Then you have the MDCAT roll number, और MDCAT roll number कौन सा, UHS वाला या IBS अखर वाला, तो it would be IBS अखर वाला. Then test center जहाँ पे भी टेस्ट हुआ था, जिस भी सिटी में हुआ था, you will be having the center name. Then your MDCAT marks obtained, कौन से वाले marks जो आपके IBS अखर के थे. DOHS वाला जो paper है और उसके marks हैं that are considered that are not valid for him. Then we have the seat number for metric or FSC, your inter and metric, वहाँ पे your passing year, name of board if you have done it from Karachi, so आपने वो लिखना है. If you have done it from credible board, so it would be FBIAC and so on. Then you have the total marks, and so like it would be total marks obtained out of this would be, for example, I got 1,000 marks in metric, so it would be 1,000 over the total marks that were 1,100, right? So you have to write in that way. Then you have to write your grade and division, your percentage, and then you have to write the date of submission and your father's signature here and your signature here. Date of submission कौन सी होगी, जिस दिन आप TCS submit कराओगे उसी दिन आप you have to write that date. Okay, so यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं, that is this वाला area is to be filled by your guardian. That could be your father or any guardian, it could be your mother. So इसमें आ जाता है name, it is their designation, phone number, और यहाँ पे इनका phone number, this phone number would not be yours, और ये उनका होना चाहिए. And then you have the contact in emergency कि अगर they want to contact you लेकिन you are not picking up the phone, so कौन होगा, so you have to write that person, your relation, and their phone number and all. And we have the colleges जो यहाँ पे जिस कॉलेज में आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. अच्छा, so it is कि जिस भी आप डिस्ट्रिक्ट के होते हो, so there are certain colleges that are limited for that. For example, अगर आप कराची के हो, you can be applying to Dow, you can be applying to Jinasan, you can be applying to lumps, and you can be applying to Karachi Medical College. You can be applying to Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto, and according to that, you have to apply for that. अच्छा, then you have any for the disabled candidate, कोई भी disability है, you can mark yes or no, and you can proceed with that. First of all, वो सारा fill हो गया, then you have to print it out. You have to then बस यहाँ से print करना, यहाँ से fill करना शुरू करना है. You have to write your name, your father's name, your present address, your telephone number, and mobile phone number. Then here comes the checklist जो document के जो चाहिए, and it is compulsory. So 2024 का MD CAT का admit card. Okay, so let me make it clear कि जो DOHS वाला MD CAT था वो भी valid नहीं है, और जो उससे पहले MD CAT हुआ था जैसे last year का, वो सिंध में valid नहीं है. So you have to make the copy. So I don't think so यहाँ पे कोई MD CAT का result cards दी हैं. It is a complete file. So you just have to print that out, highlight it, और वो अपने साथ paste कर देना है. Then you have to, for the result card and admit card तो होगा आपके पास. Then you have to get the fee voucher. I'll tell you how it is done. Then यहाँ पे आ जाता है application form जो fill हुआ होगा, and you will be having your metric का mark sheet, and first of all certificate. अगर certificate नहीं आया हुआ तो you will be using your mark sheet, and in the case of A and O levels you require your certificates to be attested by IBCC. Then you will be having your same as metric. You will be for inter, you will be having your certificate and your mark sheet. Then it is only for disabled candidates that they require a copy of the disability certificate. Then there is PRC forms that are required. Then you require your domicile of also the candidate as well as the father. In the case of your father नहीं है, so you'll be applying with the death certificate along with that of your mother's domicile and all. अच्छा, फिर इसके बाद सिमिलरली सेम गोज विद दैट ऑफ द डाइवोर्स. अगर तो वहाँ पे आपको जो नादिया की तरफ से डिवोर्स की एक सर्टिफिकेट होगा, यू हैव टू अटैच दैट एंड योर मदर्स थिंग ऑल्सो. फिर अच्छा, जो अंडर 18 है दे कैन बी यूजिंग देयर बी फॉर्म, बट जो अबव 18 है दे शुड बी हैविंग देयर CNICs मेड बाय देम नाउ, और फिर वो यूज़ करेंगे. यू रिक्वायर 4 पासपोर्ट साइज पिक्चर्स, और 4 पासपोर्ट साइज पिक्चर्स में एज आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर कि उसके बैक साइड पे यू हैव टू राइट योर नेम. Then you also have to mention that किस category के हैं, and those who are of the category of the overseas Pakistani, they should submit the proof of the education certificate along with that. The pictures that would be ऊपर जो form में paste होंगे that would be different, और जो साथ में जो 4 pictures you have to staple that along with the form. अच्छा, so we have to keep this in mind कि हमने total 2 sets बनाने हैं. When you are applying for MBBS, you have to make 2 sets. एक बार सारा fill किया, then you have to get it photocopied. फिर सारे documents you have to apply you have to like put them together with first वाला set भी और दूसरे वाला set भी. So you will be having 2 complete sets. ये तब है जब when you are applying for MBBS, right? फिर you are applying for BDS, so you have to make 2 sets अलग से. वो BDS का फॉर्म होगा, that would be similar. You have to go through that, और उसमें you have to put your colleges की जो colleges की list है that would be अलग से. So there would be, if you're applying for both MBBS and BDS, so there would be 4 forms, और ये 4 sets है जो जा रहे हैं towards lump jam शुरू आप TCS करोगे. So there will be 4 sets. अब कौन से TCS offices में you are going to submit these things, और किस तरह से you are going to submit this. सबसे पहले जो अमाउंट है दैट इज फॉर MBBS के लिए अलग एंड BDS के लिए अलग. यू हैव टू कीप दैट विद यू हैव टू कैरी इट. एंड देन सर्विस चार्जेस है, यू हैव टू कीप दैट एंड गो टू द TCS ऑफिस. इट कुड बी एनी TCS ऑफिस जो इस लिस्ट में दिया हुआ है. इफ़ यू कैन सी कि यहाँ पे वी हैव द हेड ऑफिस जो कराची में है, वी हैव इन द मॉडल कॉलोनी, एंड वी हैव इन द MB एरिया, वी हैव इन गुलशन इकबाल. दैट कुड बी अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ईज जो आपके करीब है. यू हैव टू गो देयर, यू हैव टू सबमिट इट. So वहाँ पे सबसे पहले you will have to submit the fees, then they will give you a receipt of it, or you have to print it. उसको आपने दोनों sets के साथ जो MBBS के sets हैं उनके साथ अलग उनको अपने photocopy करना है, उसको attach करना है. Then similarly with the BDS, then they will give you some sort of envelope जिसमें आपने उसको रखना है. You have to put it और उसको सारा fill करो जो जिस तरह usually TCS होता है, and just you have to send it to LUMS and or any of the university जो आपके district से related होगी, and so they will get it sent there. अच्छा, so once you are done with this process, before this जो TCS वाला है, इससे पहले make sure that you go on the LUMS की website and fill the online form, because if you are not done with the online form और आप पहले TCS करा देते हो, so that's of no use. पहले आप लम्स की वेबसाइट पे जाओ. The form that was on the लम्स की वेबसाइट, it would be much similar to the form जो हमने fill किया था, print करा के fill किया था, it would be similar. And so according to that पहले वो fill करना है, and then you can TCS it. Here is the online form. First of all, you will just open the online form. सबसे पहले you have to make your account जो आपके CNIC से बनेगा. Just go to the sign up, use your CNIC, password बनाओ, and here is the application form. So यहाँ पे as usual you have your name, father name, and surname, date of birth, place of birth जहाँ पे पैदा हुए थे वो लिखो, your gender, CNIC number, whatever your CNIC number is, और अगर CNIC नहीं बना हुआ तो your B form number जो B form के ऊपर दिया होगा. Then your father's CNIC number, your nationality, then religion, and again your that of the district of your PRC. Then it comes your the concept provincial, that would be said obviously. Then it's the district of your domicile of your father, and if you're a Hafiz Quran, so if you are, so you'll be doing a yes, and if no, so no. And if you are having a disability, तो यहाँ पे no or yes का option है. Then once you're done with this, you can save, and then you can continue to the next page. With the next page, here is the permanent address. You have to write that. President address, जो permanent address होता है वो उस district का होता है जहाँ पे आपका domicile जहाँ का है. Then present address कहीं का भी हो सकता है. Then you have to write your mobile number, WhatsApp number. अगर mobile number कहीं WhatsApp है, so you can write that. वरना कोई और number जिसके पे WhatsApp हो. Your father number, then landline is not important. अगर है तो ठीक है, वरना you can skip that. Then the person in case of emergency, you can write the name, and then your relationship, their phone number, and their address. And then we can save it and can continue the next page. So here is the next page जहाँ पे as first of all metric या O levels की details है. यहाँ पे you have to write your seat number, your passing year जो भी year था, then your name of the board, if it was done by Karachi board, federal board, or anything, you have to write that. Then total marks जो थे usually 1100 होते हैं, you have to write that accordingly. Then your marks you obtained, so वो लिखने हैं आपने. Then you have to write your grade या division, and then you have to write कि आपने annual में पास किया था या supply में. Then same as that for FSC या A levels, where you have to write your group या जो science group होगा usually. Then your seat number, your passing year, name of board. Similarly अगर कराची board है, federal board है, according to that the total marks obtained अपने अपने लिखने हैं यहाँ पे, and the total marks जो board के थे वो अपने यहाँ लिखने हैं. Then again your grade and your, if similarly if it was annual या supply, and then you have to save and continue to the next page. Here's the next page. यहाँ पे for your intermediate पहले आ जाता है. यहाँ पे you have to write your marks individual करके. For your part 1 and part 2 अलग अलग करके you have to first of all write the theory marks and then practical marks. अच्छा, अगर you can if अगर by any chance कुछ boards में जिनके practicals 7 होते हैं, so you have to half that number और फिर वो practicals में इस तारीख में. Same goes for physics, chemistry, and biology. And then once you're done with that, so you can save and continue to the next page. In the next page, you have your roll number, your जो IBS अखर ने MDCAT लिया उसका roll number, you have to write that. Your MDCAT center जिस भी center में था, you have to write that. MDCAT में जितने marks आए हैं, again IBS अखर में जितने marks आए हैं, you have to write that. And again the year. So since में 2024 पे valid है, so you have to just write that. So यहाँ पे you will be uploading your picture. Just save the file अपने जिस भी device से you are doing it, and then choose file or upload the picture, and we are done with the process. After uploading the file, just we'll move forward. यहाँ पे we can see that everything is done. Your personal information is done, your contact information, your academic details, and your picture, and everything is done. And finally, we can just recheck your information कि सब कुछ ठीक लिखा है या नहीं, and then just submit everything. Here's the form जो हमने fill किया, and you can just check it कि किस तरह से you have done it. If you have made any mistakes, just check your name, your CNIC number, your father's CNIC number, and check every detail in check everything. कि if you have uploaded your picture, अपनी picture की जगह आपने कुछ और तो upload नहीं कर दिया, and your contact information and your marks, metric में कितने जो लिए थे, are they okay, or your FSC के marks and your MDCAT के marks, MDCAT के roll number, and everything is perfect. And if you have checked everything and everything is perfect, so you're good to go. Just go on uploading the file and जो अपने बाकी सारे documents हैं, just TCS them and wait till your merit lists are up. So thank you so much for being with us till the end of the video. I hope you liked it and it was useful, and it was an effort for you by Team Medangle Pre-Med. And if you want more videos like that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to like and share our video. So guys, with that we end, and good luck for your merit list, and we are so much excited to see you in the medical and dental spoon really soon.